Certainly, the significance of this visit between Iran's Foreign Minister Hossein Amir-Abdollahian and his Saudi counterpart, Faisal bin Farhan, cannot be understated. The fact that this is the first official visit by Iran's top diplomat to Saudi Arabia since the severing of ties in 2016 reflects a willingness on both sides to engage in dialogue and work towards resolving long-standing issues. The Chinese brokered deal that facilitated the re-establishment of relations and the reopening of embassies demonstrates the importance of regional powers and mediators in fostering diplomatic progress. This move not only benefits Iran and Saudi Arabia individually, but also has the potential to positively impact the stability of the entire Middle East region. The visit comes at a time when the global geopolitical landscape is experiencing significant shifts. With the U.S. withdrawal from Afghanistan, both Iran and Saudi Arabia are likely to discuss their perspectives on the evolving situation and its potential repercussions. Additionally, collaboration between these nations on the ongoing fight against the COVID-19 pandemic is a crucial step towards addressing a common global challenge. While there are long-standing disagreements between Iran and Saudi Arabia on issues like Iran's nuclear program and the conflicts in Yemen, Syria, Iraq, and Lebanon, this visit provides an opportunity for both parties to reevaluate their positions and explore avenues for cooperation. The potential discussions on trade, energy, and religious affairs could pave the way for pragmatic solutions that benefit the interests of both nations. The presence of Iran's new ambassador, Alireza Inayati, is another positive sign of commitment to this diplomatic initiative. His role in the visit indicates that both countries are committed to creating an atmosphere of mutual understanding and collaboration. In conclusion, the historic visit of Iran's foreign minister to Saudi Arabia represents a pivotal moment in the geopolitical dynamics of the Middle East. While challenges remain, the fact that both nations are engaging in direct dialogue suggests a renewed hope for peace, stability, and cooperation in the region.